Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get hair removal set in Merge Studio. In Merge Studio, getting the hair removal set is basically a trust the merge chain and don't panic when nothing looks like it's progressing situation because the game loves hiding progress behind a few layers of bathroom furniture evolution. When I'm working toward it, I usually head into the collections menu first and look right next to personal care set. That's where the hair removal set is tucked away like it doesn't want to be found too easily. The main source item usually comes from the bathroom cabinet line, which starts off pretty basic with stuff like sinks and early bathroom upgrades as you keep merging and leveling it up. The chain eventually evolves into higher tier items, including the shaving related pieces that led into set you want. In my case, I had to push the bathroom cabinet to up around level 6 before things get started unlocking in a meaningful way, which felt like the game was quietly testing my patience. Once the first hair removal item drops, the rest is just standard merging combine duplicates, upgrade step by step, and slowly complete the full set. It's one of those goals where progress feels slow until suddenly everything clicks and you wonder why you were stressed in the first place. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.